Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's Design Your Own Titan video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Titan named Ramakos. Now, Ramakos is a really tall Titan, and he has 4 main legs, and he also has 2 smaller legs in between both legs for grabbing onto things. He comes with really big, great spikes. He's got 5 different eyes. He's got some really powerful tusks and big jaws that can really attack his opponents. And even on his tail, he's got some extra spikes that can do a lot of damage. This is a really fun Titan to draw, so I hope you guys enjoy this, and thanks for watching. Now, to start off with our Titan Ramakos, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right about here, and we're just going to make some small little oval shapes like this. So we'll make one here. Then we'll go ahead and put one right above it. Try to keep them about the same size. Put another one out in front. One underneath it, and then we'll do one right back here. Just to give them about 5 eyes. Probably 10 altogether if you think 5 on each side. Now up here for the head, we're going to go up, and then we're going to bring this down, and then we're going to come in. We're going to make it come to a point, and we're going to bring this line right up to here. Now Ramakos is going to have some spikes coming out, very similar to Biollante. So we're going to go and make this curve to a point, and then we'll curve it back up here. We'll make another one, curve to a point, and then we'll bring it around here. Then we'll add some little curved lines right around here. Next, we're going to make lines going to come down. We're going to bring this down and then up. We're going to come up and bring it right to about there for the jaw. Right along the top here, I'm going to add some sharp teeth. So we're just going to make some really sharp teeth. And we're going to make some sharp teeth right across the bottom as well. And then starting right here at the spike, let's go down. We'll come up to a point and then back here for a tongue. Then we're going to add a little curved line or two right around here to start the neck. And then right here, we're going to come down and then in or out just a little bit. Let's make this first leg. We're going to start it up here. We're going to come down. And then we're going to bring this out to about here. Ramakos is going to have some really long legs. We'll bring this line up, and then we'll come down, and then back up for a really big, sharp claw. We'll do another one here. We'll come down to a point with a claw, and then we'll come back. We'll do one more here. We'll come down to a point and then back. Now starting here, we're going to bring this up, and then we'll come in just a tiny bit. And then we're going to bring this up and in. See, Ramakos' legs are really long compared to some of our other Titans. Starting here, we're going to draw this line down. And this time, I'm going to bring this line out here. I'm going to curve this down to a point and back up. And then I'll do another one here, down to a point, and we'll bring it up. Add a couple little curved lines, and we'll bring this line right over to here. That way it kind of looks like he's almost walking or getting ready to take a step. Now starting here, we're going to go down and then up.
And then we're going to add some small little arms right here. So we're going to add a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go out. We're going to make it come down to a point, and then another one here. And we're going to bring this up and then in. Bring this line over. Then we'll do the back legs. So to draw the back legs, we're going to go down and then over at an angle. And we're going to bring this down here. We'll bring this line over and then down, and we'll come back to a nice big spike. And then the toes back here, we're actually going to make these other toes a little bit smaller. So it's kind of like he's got one really big toe on here and then a couple smaller ones. Let's bring this up and over, and then we'll bring it up to here. We'll do that other leg. We'll just bring this down and kind of curve it in and then come back down. We'll come down to a point and then back with a little small one right there. We'll bring this line right up here. We'll make a little line that's going to come down, and we'll just kind of make that other little hand right over there. Now let's work on the back of Ramakos. So I'm going to begin by putting a couple more little lines to go out and then down. Bring this line up, and then we're going to bring it right across here. I'm going to bring this line up and then back here for the tail. We're going to make it nice and skinny, and then we're going to curve this back here. Now let's start on some of the spikes. We're going to begin by just putting a few small spikes right here, kind of pointed, a little bit jagged. And then we're going to make some a little bit bigger ones right across the back here. Put a couple of them with some double points if you want. And then we're just going to kind of bring these all the way down towards the tail. Now in between these, I'm going to make some taller spikes up here. We'll do some more of those double spikes in some spots. Then we'll add a couple more up here, and we'll do a few more right in between just to show there's a big group of spikes right along the back, more towards the very center of the back. Along the tail, I'm going to put a couple spikes coming out of here. We'll just kind of put some going this way, and then make a couple more coming out this side. Now we have our basic shape of this Titan. Now let's come in here and add some of the details. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to add some little lines right underneath each eye. And I'm going to put a little line right above each eye that's not touching it. Make our long broken lines right along the top and bottom, and then a line or two right here. We'll add a couple little lines right next to the arms and legs, and even this little arm here. I'm going to add a couple longer lines right here just to kind of show where the ribs might be. And then on these arms and legs, we want to add a nice curved line with a little extra line or two for some detail. So we'll just kind of do that right across here. We'll get all these, and we'll even do these tiny ones too. Oh, we don't want to forget these little arms up here. We're going to make some long broken lines right across here. Just kind of show where the toes are connected. Add some quick little lines here for the knee. And then we'll do a few little broken lines coming up here. Now this one, I'm also going to add some little stripes right across here. There's quite a few stripes on this Titan, so we're just going to bring some stripes coming out of here. Sometimes I include these, sometimes I don't, but on this one we're just going to add some of these big stripes in here. So we're going to bring these all the way down. They're going to come all the way down the tail. Now we're also going to add some going across the arms and legs here too. So we'll put some going right across here. And we're going to put some going across these legs as well. And then there are going to be some smaller, skinnier stripes right along the bottom here. So we'll add a few of those. And then on these spikes, I'm going to add just a couple little broken lines and some different spots for some extra texture and detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Titan Ramakos. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.